What we want you is not to just lean in, but lean on.
We want to make sure women take a seat at the table. We all have one in this company, but to take the seat.
Clayco Now is a new initiative within Clayco that has the goal to provide an environment for women to connect, to network, and to build their careers together.
Clayco Now is committed to Clayco's innovation and innovative heart.
We encourage men and women of all industries to join us and to build a stronger industry.
I know that I have benefited so much from other women mentoring me, sponsoring me, and helping me develop my career, and I think it's only fair that you pass that forward.
Every breath I take is strong. Every win that gets it all. I'm gonna fight until I've no more left to give. You think you've seen the best of me, but I'm never gonna quit. 'Cause it ain't over till it's over.
There's so many different kinds of women that work here that do amazing things.
And so it is important to have a network where you can relate not just your professional life, but also your personal life.
I'm a mother. I worked at Clayco before they were born, so they've always known this office, this building.
I love anything outdoors and anything athletic, so I love to run.
I am a wife. I am a grad student. I'm studying a master's in business administration as well as a master's in finance.
One of the main goals of Clayco Now is to create an environment where women feel comfortable, feel like they belong, feel like they can truly succeed in this industry.
Every breath I take is strong. Every win that gets it all. I'm gonna fight until I've no more left to give. 'Cause it ain't over till it's over.
Clayco Network of Women, it's not just about having a network. It's about truly connecting with each other and feeling that you have someone you can reach out to.
It's really to promote the education and professional development of women.
And so we're offering resources, we're offering training, we're offering mentorship, but we're also moving it to the next step, which is sponsorship.
I just like the now part of it. Bob Clark always says, hurry up every chance you get. To me, that's kind of part of that same philosophy is like, we're doing this now.
If you want to participate, if you want to sponsor, reach out to us. There's a place for you because women have so much to offer in this industry.